Welcome to this instructional video for the Redexim Overseeder 3D. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine and follow all safety instructions. Only operate the Overseeder 3D on grass surfaces. Always switch off the tractor engine during adjustments and repairs. Wear appropriate protective clothing such as steel toe cap boots and fitted workwear. Visual check. Before using the machine, inspect it for any visible damage or defects. Make sure all bolts and components are properly tightened, and always check that the seed shaft rotates correctly before operation. Regular checks are essential. Loose components can reduce performance and may pose safety risks. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Overseeder 3D to the tractor using the 3-point linkage by carefully reversing the tractor's lifting arms towards the machine. Remove the connecting pins and ensure the correct size pin is used for each hole. Using the selected mounting holes allows the tractor to lift the Overseeder 3D effectively and helps it follow the contours of the ground. Lift the machine slightly above the surface and store the storage legs. Then gently move it back and forth until it is properly centered behind the tractor. Secure the position using the tractor sway link pins, limiting sideways movement to a maximum of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Finally, check if the tractor's top link is level to keep the Overseeder 3D horizontal when lifting and lowering. Adjusting seeding application rate. Before making any adjustments, check the seeding chart inside the hopper. This chart helps you determine the correct settings based on the seed type and desired application rate. You can also find this chart in the operator's manual or online at redexim.com. Once you've reviewed the table, move to the side of the machine, loosen the 2 upper turn screws. Then, check the table once more to confirm your target setting. Use the main turn screw to adjust the black seeding application dial until the correct rate is reached. The aperture gate is infinitely adjustable to suit different seed sizes. Most seeds are suitable for gate setting 0, adjust as needed according to the manual. Once the setting has been made, fill the hopper with seed and securely close the lid. Calibration. To ensure accurate seeding, it's important to calibrate the system before you begin. Start by placing the calibration tray inside the Overseeder 3D, directly underneath the seed cups. Next, rotate the land wheel 13 times in a counterclockwise direction. Then, weigh the collected seed and compare it with the seeding table in the operator's manual to confirm the correct application rate. Machine angle and working depth. Lower the Overseeder 3D to the ground and adjust the tractor's top link until the frame sits square at 90 degrees and is parallel to the surface. This ensures the front cutting discs enter the soil at the correct angle. To increase or decrease the working depth, use the top link to apply more or less downward pressure on the front discs. Weight and reel roller. On uneven or compacted ground, you can aid penetration by adding weight to the machine by filling the rear roller with water or adding suitcase weights. Each cutting disc is spring-mounted to follow the surface topography more closely. The compact design, with a short distance between the front discs and rear roller, helps the machine track surface contours more precisely. The rear roller should stay in contact with the ground at all times. This helps close the cutting line and improves seed-to-soil contact for better germination. Digital meter. The Overseeder 3D is equipped with a digital meter that provides useful data during operation. It displays the surface area, the speed, the distance covered, and the number of operating hours. You can find the manual for the digital meter inside the toolbox on the machine or online at redexim.com. Use it to guide you through the correct setup and calibration. Start procedure. Begin with the Overseeder 3D lifted off the ground. Drive forward at a steady speed between 3 km per hour, 1.9 miles per hour, and a maximum of 12 km per hour, 7.5 miles per hour. Then gently lower the machine onto the surface. The land wheel automatically adjusts the seeding rate to match your ground speed, ensuring consistent and even application. Never make turns with the discs in the soil. This can damage the machine and affect results. Keep in mind that successful overseeding also depends on factors like surface condition and weather. Stop procedure. Reduce forward speed with the Overseeder 3D and gently raise the machine. The Overseeder 3D land wheel drive mechanism automatically stops the distribution of seed when the machine is lifted, ensuring seed is only applied where required. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Redexim Overseeder 3D. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual and the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.